So the last one that we came across that we're so excited about is this nebulizer right here. It does take batteries. You can plug it in, and the particle size is just right. It's perfect. It's very, very small particle sizes. It doesn't spit out the solution too quickly, and it's high quality. You can feel it. It hasn't given us any problems at all, and it does nebulize the nano silver, which we're really excited about. And so we are actually opening up, currently as I'm doing this video, we're opening up a group buy where everybody can purchase one if they'd like to get one. We will continue selling it afterwards as well, but it may not be as low of a price as we're going to be selling it for. So, so the link to that will be underneath this video, wherever you're watching it from, whether it's my blog or whether it's our YouTube channel. So that is one that we're really excited about. Finally, after, oh goodness, I think it's been 9 months or more, we've been searching for one that we really liked, and this is one that we're really excited about. And we're getting it directly from the distributor, so so it's not going to run out. The links aren't going to be wrong. I feel like over and over again I've tried suggesting nebulizers in the past, and people would tell me the link's not working, so the link changed, or they were out. And this time we can just be ordering in as many orders as we need for those who want these nebulizers. So this is it right here. We're so super excited about it. Like I said, the link will be underneath the video, and I'll be creating more videos and posts soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.